So let me quickly show you how you can close the control center on your Mac, right? So of course, in the top right portion of the display, when you click on this button, it opens up the control center, as usual. So of course, if you click somewhere away, it's going to close the control center, or you can click on it back again to collapse it. But I assume that you are looking for like a way to completely close like the process of the control center, and this is possible and doable. So on your Mac, you need to open up the activity monitor. So this is what it looks like. You need to look it up within your apps like this, but you can open it like this. Make sure you switch from the CPU to memory like that, and these are all of the things which are currently going on your Mac, which are like using your RAM. And one of these things should be the control center. So as you can see for me, it is right there. It is like a process which is like native to Apple. Obviously, it is supposed to run, but if anything happens to the control center, you can find it in here, double click it, and as you can see, we can click on the quit, right? So it tells you the real memory size and some statistics and so on, but you can quit it like that. Make sure you confirm it, right? And as you can see, it kind of closed in the top right corner and got to reopen again. So that's how you can kind of reset it. You can see that now everything reappeared as usual, but it gives you a nice quick start. And especially if you need a little reset or, start from fresh, then this is what you can do. So let me know if you managed to find it. Of course, you can also use the search bar and type in the control center. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to locate when you search for it. But I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.